All right, so here's the deal. There is volume of a rectangular prism, length times width times height, but a volume for any prism. So like this is a rectangular prism, obviously, but we can also have, and I'm going to try to draw it, I'm not going to do a very good job of it. We could have a triangular prism. No, that's actually not a triangular prism. Scratch that. That's a pyramid. Uh, Let me try that again. This would be a triangular prism. There we go. Okay, it's a prism because of the rectangles, and it's triangular because of the triangles at the top part of it. So how do I find the volume of any type of shape that's a prism? There's this formula here. So look at it. It's capital B times H. But capital B means find the area of the base. So I would find the area of, say, this triangle, base times height divided by 2. Find the area of this triangle, and then I'd multiply it times its height, or how long it is. And that would be volume. Okay, so when you have some type of 3D figure, say like this, where it already gives you the area, then you already know the capital B, and it's just times the height. Because see, this is rectangular, and the area of a rectangle is length times width. And the other formula that we dealt with a second ago was length times width times height. So this is just already taken care of the length times width part. You just know this. So you already have it taken care of. You have the area of this base times its height. So we would do 8 times 2/3, and that would be, it'd be 5.3 repeating, but this says round to the whole number. So we would just call that 5 units cubed. Okay. So if you have this already, it's just multiplication, all right? It's just taking care of that. Same thing here, okay? We already know the area. Somebody's already taken care of the length times width part, and then we have the height. So I'm going to do 13.25 times 8, and I get 106 units cubed, right? Okay, now just to show you just the difference, if I had that triangular prism, and let's say I know that this is 8 and this is 10, and then there's this back here, okay, and this is 20. Okay, well, what I would do is I'd find the area of this triangle, which is 8 times 10 divided by 2. So the area of this triangle is 40. And I would take that 40 times 20, and that would be 800 units cubed. So that's what that formula there with the capital B means. Is you have the area of the base, multiply it times the height. So don't get confused, because some people are like, no, wait a minute, volume is always length times width times height. No, not actually. Volume of a rectangular prism, yes, it is. But the true formula for volume of a prism is this right here. V, volume, equals the area of the base times the height.